Morning children, welcome to online class. In today's class, we are going to discuss one of the main part of a plant children, that is stem. That is stem children. Children, what is stem? Previously we learned that what are roots and what are the different types of root systems in roots children, and we also has done one activity regarding roots. Right now we are discussing about stem. You know stem. What children? The main part, you can say aerial part children. Aerial part. What is aerial part? You can say aerial means it present in the air itself children. It present in the air itself. Means above the surface. Above the surface means we can say that it is in the soil. It grows above the soil children, and it is an aerial part of the main axis of a plant children. Aerial part of the main axis of a plant body children. In the entire body, in the entire plant body, it is the aerial part. Means it is in the air of the main axis. It is also called as shoot system children. Shoot system. Children, this shoot system consists of leaves, branches, flowers and fruits children. But why we are exactly saying, why we are considering this shoot system is mainly main axis of the shoot system is stem children. Main axis of the entire shoot system is stem. Of course, another parts of a plant also there. What are that? Leaves and branches, next fruits and flowers. But we are considering mainly as stem because we are discussing about only stem. Children understand? So this is about stem, and it also contains some other parts children. So it grows. I am writing here children, or I am writing here. It grows from above the soil children. It grows above the soil. If I say, where does the root grow? We'll say simply it is beneath the ground or underground. But this one grows from above the soil children, and it grows towards sunlight. And the stem mainly consists of two parts children. You cannot say two parts. It contains two nodes. What are the nodes? Nodes and internodes. Nodes and internodes children. Nodes and internodes. What is nodes children? The part of the stem where the leaf grows is called a node children. If suppose this is a stem and here is a part, from this part one leaf is growing children, and this part is called as node children. The part of the stem where does the leaf grow is called a node children. Then what is internodes? Okay children, the successive length between two leaves of a stem is known as internode children. Suppose here one leaf has been grown children, arise, we can say arise. So after from there itself to here, one more leaf has been arising children. This is one more leaf. So in between these two leaves, the successive length we can call it as internodes children. Internodes. This is about nodes and internodes. We can say that the part of the stem where does the leaf grow is called a node children, and internode means between two successive leaves arising is called as internodes children. Then two more concepts children, buds. You know buds. So these buds, where does they grow? See children, at the tip. Suppose this one more sub branch, we can call it as a sub branch children. So the tip of the The tip of the stem is called as a bud, children, and this one called as bud. So we can also call it as a apical bud, or terminal bud, children, or terminal. Then what is auxiliary bud? Auxiliary, you know, this is the part of the stem where does the leaf grow, and this part is called as the auxiliary bud. So just I am writing the name auxiliary bud. So this is all about the stem, children. Right now we'll see only functions of the stem, children. Functions. You know, our human body consists of many parts, children, and each and every part is doing each task or functions. We can say that functions. So here also the parts of a plant also consist of some functions, children. So functions of stem. Functions of stem. Children, what is the main function? Main function of the stem, it supports the plant. Supports the plant. In one word you can say that supports the plant, children. Yes or no, children? Without stem, where does the other parts will grow, children? It is giving support to the entire plant body, children. So next one is it transports water and minerals from roots to where, children? From roots to stem to entire plant parts. See, whatever the water and whatever the minerals received by the root is giving to whom? Stem. Then taking by the stem, it will be transported to the entire plant, children. So it acts as a mediator. We can simply say as a mediator. Next, again transports food from leaves to entire plant body. Children, you will get confused. Transports food from leaves. How does the leaf produce food? But it produces, children, by the concept of photosynthesis. The leaves are the producers of food, children. Food means not the food which we are eating, that it is the glucose, children. The food of the entire plant is glucose. The excess glucose can be converted into other sugars. That's why you are getting fruits and vegetables, children. So transports food from leaves. The leaf is the producer. From the leaves, it is transporting to entire plant body, children. Next, last point, children. So what is the last point? Can you guess it? It stores food. In the form of sugarcane, children. In the form of sugarcane. Children, sugarcane, you know, I think the sugarcane is a stem, children. What is a stem? You can say sugarcane is a stem. And previously we discussed carrot, radish and beetroot. Those are root products, root foods. Children, understand? So these are the 4 functions of the stem, children. So we'll discuss activity in the next topic, children, next class. Thank you, children.